Hello everyone. Mechanical assistance is available. We do repairs on all makes of vehicles, both light and heavy vehicles. So those who need to fix their cars, just feel free to inquire about replacement parts. We do fix and supply on everything that we are doing on each and every car. So for more information, feel free to get in touch with us. Thank you. Bye. Hello everyone. Mechanical assistance is available. We do repairs on all makes of vehicles, both light and heavy vehicles. So those who need to fix their cars,